So this has been a very, very long wait. Just the same as those T&D rockers. Oh. There we are. Yes. So, welcome back to the channel. I've realized that if I continue doing what I'm doing, which is trying to get parts and work on those parts and film that, I'm never going to get any video because what's happening is that I keep running into little snags. For example, I've been waiting on rockers and exhaust manifolds for a while now. Finally have them. Went to mount the rockers. Now I'm waiting on a tap and die set because these champion heads, all the holes, they're either the threads are mucked up or they're just not threaded all the way through. So I cannot even get the pedestals to get to measure for the push rod length on these. So yeah, pretty much I'm cut up into doing little small stuff here and there. I don't know if I don't remember if I even posted about this, but I got a trick chassis radiator support. I got to get the intercooler and the radiator on there. But yeah, pretty much I've been doing all these little type of small jobs that don't warrant the full video. But with all the little snags I keep running into, I'm never going to have a full video. So I'm going to start filming little bits of progress. So with all of this kind of on hold until I get the tap and die set, I've been kind of putting together the intake. And pretty much right now I'm just cleaning up some old gasket from this used throttle body that I got in focus. So I'm trying to clean up this gasket. My neighbor was kind enough to lend me this tool, which I had never seen before. It's some sort of plastic scraper, and it works amazing, as you can see, and it doesn't scratch the aluminum. And for now, the plan is to get this together. I cannot bolt it on until I have the rocker. One of the rockers set in place so I can get push rod length. So yeah, pretty much just parts waiting to go on. And I guess with the way that things are turning out, it's going to end up being a series of videos of progress. Among those little things that I've been doing, I started mounting the brake system, purchased the lines, got it all plumbed up. Pretty much needs to be tightened up and bled. Eventually, the wiring ran into the Holley. I said it's obvious there's an engine harness in here now. That is the Cruz Performance Holley harness. That's another thing that I was waiting on for a while, but then I'm waiting on so many. I was supposed to have the engine ready for the harness and ended up being nothing like I had planned. What else? I got replacement bolts for that power steering unit. I don't know if you recall on the cleanup video, one of those bolts literally, it was less than an eighth of an inch thick at the center. So I got new bolts for that. The trick chassis radiator support. What else? Hold on. On the inside, I got the computer, wiring ran. The seats pretty much sitting in the trunk on top of a pad. Don't worry. And as you can see, there's just a bunch of everything in there. I will try to squeeze a video out on mounting the rockers. I mean, it's not rocket science. It comes with very clear instructions. And it even has a little gauge that you can use to make sure that you're right. I think that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this very short progress video. And yeah, hit the like button. And you focus on that hand.